Hey everybody, I'm John Roark, Editor-in-Chief of Phoenix Home and Garden Magazine, here to take you inside our August-September issue. First of all, take a look at this cover. Photography is by Mark Lipchinsky, and the image is taken from interior designer James McIntyre's historic Scottsdale townhome. James describes the decor as postmodern meets Morocco meets 1960s Rat Pack, with a dash of Liberace and a touch of the Beverly Hills Hotel. This place is gorgeous, and it's an incredible renovation, and incidentally, it's scheduled to be part of our 2024 home tour, which is scheduled for November 16th. Tickets are on sale now. We also have a trio of beautiful renovation features, and you don't want to miss this home that is a showcase for a Paradise Valley couple's eclectic collection of art. Up front, come with us inside the studio of the late, great artist Ed Mell and see what it was like to work side by side with him every day. You'll learn the finer points of Spanish colonial architecture with architect Michael Higgins and explore the history of the Shemer Art Center, which is celebrating its 40th birthday. And if your garden is suffering as much as mine is right now, we've got tips to get you and your landscape through the rest of the summer. All of this and so much more in the August-September issue of Phoenix Home and Garden on newsstands now.